What if I told you you can start earning your first dollar after this video? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you a step-by-step method on how to make your first dollar online as a newbie. So all I need from you is just to stick with me to the end of this video and watch me as I show you a step-by-step method on how to make your first dollar online. Before we dive in, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Taufik, and in this channel, I teach step-by-step method on how to make money online. If you find this helpful, please kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and smash the notification bell so that I'll be the first person to watch my next video before it got saturated. Without any further ado, let's quickly dive in. All I'll be showing you today is a method which is very simple and is newbie friendly. And I'm going to show you the proof of people using this method to make money online. And the method is worldwide. You can do it anywhere in the whole world. And at the end of the video, I'll be showing you a free tool you can use to make this work easier, and you can use this tool within few minutes. You can use it to finish this job within few minutes. And the trick is very simple in the sense that you can start earning your first dollar from the first day. It's worked. Trust me, it's worked. And give me your full attention till the end of this video, please. Give me your full attention till the end of the video, and make sure you implement what I'll be teaching you in this video. Make sure you implement what I'll be teaching in this video. So what we're going to do is go to fiverr.com. I know you might know fiverr.com. Yeah, fiverr.com. So you'll go to fiverr.com and check out a gig. This gig is photo retouching. So I'm getting there. These are the people doing this job at our Fiverr, which are some of them are charging $5, $20, $10. So if you can check out this gig, let's check out this gig. And so far, this person has done 284 job. Wow, 284 job with this simple job, with this simple task. I'm going to show you a very simple way to do this within few minutes. So this person has done 284 jobs of this same gig and has 3 others in queue, and this person is charging $20 for each job on this gig. So this is what I'm going to show you. Stay with me to the end of this video, and it won't take much of your time. So what we are going to do is we're going to come to Fiverr and create this exact same gig. Okay, we're going to model this same gig. All we're going to do is just to tweak it in our own way, and well, I didn't say you should copy the exact gig. Tweak it in your own way, and after tweaking it, you're gonna come to this website here. This is a free tool I'm going to show you. This free tool will make you to carry out this task within few minutes. Okay, so you're gonna come to makeup.photo. So this is where you are going to be making the money here. This site here, this is where you're going to be making the money. So after you've already made the you are already through with making the gig. So all you need to do is just to wait for a client. After getting a client, just tell your client to send you the picture they want to retouch. Then on sending you the picture they want to retouch, just come to this website, save it to your computer, and come to this website and click on this enhance your photo. So on getting here, you're gonna choose is either Facebook or from your computer. I know you save it in your computer, then you're gonna click on your computer. Then after clicking on your computer, then you're gonna come here, you're gonna choose the picture here. So you're gonna choose the picture you've saved. Okay, so after getting here, you're gonna choose, let's say this is the picture your client sent to you. So you're gonna choose this picture and upload it here. So just wait for the magic, just wait for it to carry out the magic. So you see it's processing the picture. It's processing the picture. So let's wait for it to process. Boom, that's all. So your picture is already retouched. So if you can see, let's check out the original picture. So as you can see the difference? Can you see the difference? So your picture is already been processed, and it has already been retouched. All you need to do is just to download this picture, come back to your Fiverr, and send it back to your client, and boom, The $20 is yours. As you can see, it's very easy to do. So all you need to do is just to come to Fiverr, create a gig, and start earning your dollars online. And let me also show you a website you can also come to showcase this type of job. You can come to people per hour, peopleperhour.com. Okay. So on getting here, you can also create your gig here, and also people are doing it. Let me show you the people doing this type of job at people per hour. Okay. So let's say photo retouch, photo retouching. Let's wait for it to load up. Oh, my network is somehow slow. Boom. So these are the people doing it on this freelancing website, which are some of them are charging $10, $20, $10, $10. So as you can see, you can also come here to us to create a gig here. Go to Fiverr, create a gig, and I show you within some days you get your first client and start making your own money. Okay. So what I teach you in this video, just kindly go and start implementing it so that you can start making your money online. Okay, so that's all for now. Thanks for watching.